Hi, I'm Michael and this is my wife Anne and we're at GroutPro Newcastle.
Yeah.
The hardest part, I think, is getting the confidence in doing the work. Like your internal thoughts are, am I able going to do it and all that? And the simple answer is yeah. It's not that hard, and it's conquering your own challenges, I suppose.
Yeah. And the thing is, like, the more you do it, the easier it becomes. And we've been both perfectionists. It's probably been a little bit hard on ourselves, but at the end of the day, it's worked out perfect.
Yeah.
It didn't take us very long once we started working together to see where each other's strengths were, and we've probably kept that because it works well with us. So I do a lot of the work, but a lot of the cutting out Michael will do in regards to regrouts. But I'm the silicone queen.
And
we actually have builders down our way that actually know about me and call me up to do their silicone work.
there is not one area that either party can't do. So the whole process Anne can do, the whole process I can do, and then it was finding, as Anne said, what works best. So how do we work best productively,
But we say all the time, like, had we have known then, like even 10 years ago what we know now, we would have actually jumped into this a lot sooner. Because it's just that type of business. It's given us freedom, it's given us money. The support from GroutPro is just phenomenal. And that support every time you ring. If they don't answer the phone straight away, they'll get straight back to you. So the support from there has been really good, but the support in the ongoing product development has just been fantastic. Yeah.
There's two courses of action normally, and that is people get out to refresh their bathroom because it's looking tired or there's an issue. So the only two choices are you renovate and do a new bathroom, which today you're probably looking at about 30 grand, or you beautify what you've currently got. It is what you've currently got, but when you're finished, it looks $1 million again.
Exactly.
For only a small part of that cost.
Yeah, and we do a lot of real estate agents. They want us to come in and tart up the bathrooms for homes that are for sale, and it's great because when we get on realestate.com or whatever, we look at the bathrooms and go, oh, we did that one, and it's a really good feel.
Yeah. There's a lot of pride because we do a lot of high quality homes that are achieving, multi-million dollar price tags are all the bathrooms that we've done.
Yeah.
So it's nice to know that, but there is no hurdle. That's the thing.
Exactly.
Like, you create these roadblocks of why you can't, but they don't exist. It is not that hard to do this. You acquire skills, but it's not that hard to do this. You can do this. Anyone looking to do this can do this.
Male or female. The biggest thing is you get to finish each other's sentences, I suppose, because you get to spend so much time together and you're working and you know each other's strengths, weaknesses. He might go, so just to give you an example, when we do our cleans, Michael unloads the van because he's quicker at unloading the van, while I actually go in and start doing what needs to be done, preparation and things like that. So, and it's a tag team, and when you work together for so long,
you develop processes and process improvements that just take, and we say this all the time. When we first started, that would have taken us this long.
Yeah.
Now we laugh and go, remember when we did that? It took us the whole day and we were like, and now we can knock that over in an hour.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.